Let's now talk to Manoj Ladwa, a trader at ETX Capital, and see if he wants to take more risk on. Manoj, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. I know we've been talking so much about risk aversion. Are you ready to take more risk on? It does seem that every day there's something new, and actually investors decide either to focus on the good news or are a little bit scared.
Well, I'd pretty much be reluctant to take on more risk at these sorts of levels. I mean, it seems like the wrong time of year to be involved in the market in a big way. Look at where we've come from in August, a month of low volume, some volatility there, but overall equity markets have been relatively unchanged. The economic figures that we've been getting from the US, the UK, Europe, and from abroad have been very mixed as well. In some areas there's increase in unemployment, a slowdown in housing markets, and then you look at China, an increase in manufacturing, Australia, a better GDP number there. So a lot of mixed signals. It creates uncertainty, and going forward, we're going into September. It's typically a poor month for the market. The market tends to do its worst in September, and it tends to be a lot more volatile as well. So I think, yeah, certainly with these non-farm payroll figures coming out on Friday, we could get more direction from the market, and that direction could be back to the downside.
Yeah, a word of caution there from you, Manoj. Of course, there's also been quite a lot of volatility because of M&A deals. Is this set to continue? And do M&A deals mean that, well, there is hope out there because certain companies are banking on a recovery and therefore ready to spend their money on it?
Well, I don't think M&A activity is enough to just prop up the market and push it back to the upside. But there is more and more M&A deals. What we've seen in the second quarter is a cheap euro, a cheap pound, and that makes UK and European companies more attractive. And we're seeing more and more of these deals, but you've got to be fairly focused on which sectors you look at. It seems to be the IT sectors, the pharmaceuticals, the oil sectors that seems to be attracting these sorts of deals.
Thank you so much, Manoj Ladwa there.